Today's topic is the intro of CapCut. You're gonna start by opening the app. The plus icon is where you can start creating your new project or video. After clicking it, you can see all your gallery photos or videos. I'm just gonna select a random one. After choosing your video or pic, this is the interface you're gonna get. If you click or select the video, like this, at the end you're gonna see this white rectangular thing. If it's a photo, then you can drag it to make the pic last longer, as in like this. But if you fail to do this, you can easily click on the edit option in the bar under. When you click that, you can see even more options. The first is split. If you want to cut a part of the video or picture, as you can see, the next available is animation. This is used if you want to see a drop or animation added into your video or pictures. Next is style. Style also basically does the same things, just more 3D. Let me show you one in case you don't understand. Not all style effect does this. This is just one of many. Next is delete. Delete is basically when you want the selected video or pic to be deleted. Then comes cutout. Cutout is used when you want to remove a background of a specific thing. There are many more things that will be hopefully shared with you later onwards. Next option next to edit is audio. This is used when you want to add or record your voice or add your voice. CapCut also give you sound effects. Next is text. When you click it, it shows you this interface, and you can type whatever you want. There are many text fonts, too.